In 2011, I joined Maderkit with a clear vision to transform spaces through high profitability systems. As head of design, my focus went beyond furniture drawing to create disruptive engineering solutions, such as the Space Line, whose extendable system was so successful that it is now a company patent. My designs achieved massive sales in Latin American countries. More than 3 million units sold from Mexico to Chile. They are a testament to a design that accurately understands large-scale manufacturing and the psychology of the mass market. Here, I learned that the true value of a designer lies not only in the object itself, but also in the optimization of the process. With the arrival of the pandemic, I led the transition to Industry 4.0 as head of digital products. We not only optimized costs, we implemented generative algorithms in Grasshopper to create customizable product libraries. We also developed software for defining furniture packaging, as well as automating processes, rendering, and video, all powered by artificial intelligence. This allowed a massive organization to operate 80% more efficiently. We transformed inefficiency into intelligent and algorithmic agility. It was 15 years of mastery at the point where in-depth industrial design and technological acceleration converge. I understood that true innovation is a system that works without friction. Today, that accumulated experience is the driving force behind my own consulting firm, a direct bridge between creative vision and absolute precision of code. I have designed for millions of families in the past. Now, I design the future for industrial competitiveness. What seems like magic is simply a better system. I am Mojica. Welcome to the evolution of smart manufacturing.